Hi there, Aquaba live on the Returnees Sankofa channel. Today I'm bringing you a discussion on water. Should returnees whilst in Ghana drink from sachet water, water directly from the tap, or water stored in stations, or should they stick typically to bottled water? My guest right here with me is a dealership in all kinds of water, and I will be having a little discussion with him right here in his shop. Should returnees drink from sachet water, water directly from the tap, or water stored in the basins whilst in Ghana? Before then, subscribe to the Returnees Sankofa channel, like my videos, share, and also don't forget to smash that bell for more videos. My name always Kofi. Stay tuned, don't go away. Medase. Right here in the dealership shop. I mean, he's a retailer and a distributor. So he has all this water you're seeing here, such as the sachet water here. So these are water stored in small plastic. And then also you can see all these types and kinds of different water here in the bottle. Great. So let me introduce to you my friend, my guest right here. Hello, sir.
Hello, bro.
Aquaba on the Returnees Sankofa channel. Please introduce yourself to my viewers.
My name is Farouk. In my free time, I come to manage my own wholesale and retailing shop, which deals in water and then beverages. Yeah.
Great. So you are the boss here, let me
Sure.
say.
Yeah.
Very well. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you, bro.
So today I want to have a little discussion with you on water.
Okay.
We know globally water is becoming a problem.
Yeah.
And then soon we will be forced to drink from the oceans. Consider right here in Ghana, our water bodies are being contaminated by the local galamsey or local miners.
Yeah.
What is your take on this?
Water currently in Ghana.
Yes. It's a major problem.
It's a major problem. Globally, it is a major problem.
There is a shortage now.
Yes, no doubt about that. And currently, with the emergence of galamsey activities in our various water.
Great, very well. So today, precisely or basically, my questions will be African Americans, returnees at large, who wants to settle in Ghana. Should they drink from sachet water, water directly from the tap, water stored in basins, or should they stick to bottled water alone whilst they are here in Ghana?
Yeah, so as a country, as I said earlier on, we do have one of the best water processing around the globe or around Africa. So drinking water or having access to good quality drinking water isn't quite a problem when you come to Ghana, because we have diverse water companies or water processing manufacturers who always try to bring out the best, and these are competitive because we have diverse tastes or variety for taste. So the best at the end of the day is produced by these manufacturers because they have a competitive system. So good drinking water never is a problem.
So the sachet water is safe.
The sachet water is safe
and
but
clean.
Then it's safe and clean.
Yeah, anybody can drink it.
Anybody can drink it.
You know, as far as your system can contain it.
As far as your system can contain it.
I believe in some instances, the waters from this sachet sometimes are the same water they produce in these bottled waters.
Yeah.
Is that right? Or
yes, surely it is right.
But also it's just the price
Yeah, that's the price differences.
Yeah, they think water in the bottle are clean, good quality than of course the water in the sachet water.
The same manufacturing companies, who are into the producing of the bottled water also produce the sachet waters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this sachet waters also go through the same processing plants as the bottled waters also go through.
Very well. Very well. Yes. So water from sachet and then water from bottle as well, they are the same thing, I think, because they all go through the same processing as you know, or the same purification. So what I believe here, Farouk, what do you think? Is it choice or is it affordability, what you can afford?
Yeah, it all comes to play, in a sense that not everyone can afford continuously living on bottled water.
Okay.
Others can, others cannot.
Yes.
So in as much as affordability plays a role, choice also plays a part in it.
Yes.
Someone can afford to buy sachet water.
Yes.
Someone can afford not to buy sachet water, but rather buy bottled water. So choice and affordability all plays a role in this. But then in as much as the price variance and all of that, it is these same companies that also produce the sachet waters, and they all go through the same processing, as the bottled water.
Yes.
As the bottled water.
Yes.
And there are diverse sachet water producing companies. Some don't necessarily go through the best practices or the best processes. Some also go through top standard process. So it's all about fishing out which one is good and which one is suitable for it.
It's all about looking out for the best.
The best.
But in as much, water from sachet is as good as water from bottle. It's about choice. And then affordability. Very well. So I think we are coming to the end of this discussion. You have any final words or final say on sachet water? Because people have the mind that water from sachet is not as quality as water from bottle. So many of these travelers, when they are coming, they have this perception, and they always want to go for bottled water. But now we know that water from bottle goes through the same process as water in the sachet. What are your final?
To those coming for visits in Ghana and all of that, sachet water companies or sachet water producers produce their waters through the same quality standards that the bottled waters do. So there should be no fears in choosing to drink sachet water. There should be no fears at all. If it is available to you, it's okay, you can take it. But then if you take one or two and you have issues with it, you just find a different variant to live on there. But then equally, they also go through the same quality standards that the bottled waters also go through. So it's safe.
Yeah, right here in Farouk's shop, you heard him say water from sachet and water in the bottle goes through the same process as all. It depends on which company you are buying from and the quality. Clearly, you can have water from bottle which may not be good or quality as you may think. So it's safe that you can drink from sachet or sachet right here in Ghana, not only from bottle. It depends on what you can afford. I think it's what you can afford. My name always Kofi. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Returnees Sankofa channel, like my videos, share, and also smash that bell for more videos. May that's it.